What would you do if you were stuck in one place and every day was exactly the same and nothing that you did mattered? That was a pretty good day. Why couldn't I get that day over and over?
You know, some guys would look at this glass and they would say, that glass is half empty. Other guys would say, that glass is half full.
Excuse me? Where's everybody going?
To Gobbler's Knob. It's Groundhog Day.
It's still just once a year, isn't it?
There is something so familiar about this. Do you ever have deja vu?
Didn't you just ask me that?
What if there were no tomorrow?
No tomorrow. That would mean there would be no consequences. There would be no hangovers. We could do whatever we wanted.
That's true. We could do whatever we want. It's the same thing your whole life. Clean up your room, stand up straight, pick up your feet, take it like command. Be nice to your sister. Don't mix beer and wine, ever. Oh yeah, don't drive on the railroad track.
Oh no, I can't believe I fell for this. This whole day has just been one long setup. I could never love someone like you, Phil, because you'll never love anyone but yourself. That's for making me care about you. Stop it!
When Chekhov saw the long winter, he saw a winter bleak and dark and bereft of hope. Yet we know that winter is just another step in the cycle of life. But standing here among the people of Punxsutawney and basking in the warmth of their hearths and hearts, I couldn't imagine a better fate than a long and lustrous winter. From Punxsutawney, it's Phil Connors.
$339.88.
Can accept any more bids? I think that's sold. The little lady for $339.88.